سڵاتانە بێ قوتابیانی خۆشەویست لەم وانەیەدا باز لە using formulas ئەەکەم. لە using formulas we have some rules. The first rules for finding distance you can go is d equal to r times t. D is distance and r is speed and t is time. The first example we have r, it means speed equal to 57 kilometer and time is 3/2. So for finding the distance, the rule is d equal to r times t. So d equal to we have to write 57 instead of r. 57 times time is 3 and 1 out of 2, so we have to multiply 57 by 3 and 1 out of 2. Now we have whole number and mixed numbers. We have to change this mixed number to fraction. 3 times 2 equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7 out of 2. Now we have 57 times 7 out of 2. Now we have we have whole number and fraction. We have to change this whole number by writing 1 as a denominator. Now we have to mix it to fraction. We have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 1 times 2 equal to 2, and 57 times 7 is equal to 399, and we can divide by using long division for 399 divided by 2. How many 2's are in 3? We have 1. 1 times 2 equal to 2. 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and we have to bring down 9. How many 2's are in 19? We have 9. 9 times 2 equal to 18. 19 minus 18 equal to 1, and we have to bring down the last 9. How many 2's are in 19? We have 9. 9 times 2 equal to 18, and we have 1. We can change this remainder to 0 by writing decimal point and 0. Write decimal point in the quotient and bring down 0. How many 2's are in 10? We have 5. 5 times 2 equal to 10, and remainder is 0. So 399 out of 2 equal to 199.5. So 199.5. Another example number 2, we have d, it means distance is 306.5 kilometer and time is 5. The rule is d equal to r times t. D is 306.5 equal to r. We don't have r, we don't know the speed, times t. T is time is 5 multiplied by 5. We have now we have this equation. We have multiply between this variable and number. We have to divide both sides by 5. This to 5 reduce become 1, and we have only r, and we have to divide 306.5 divided by 5. 306.5 divided by 5. How many 5's are in 30? We have 6. 6 times 5 equal to 30. 30 minus 30 equal to 0, and bring down 6. How many 5's are in 6? We have 1. 1 times 5 equal to 5, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. And we have to write decimal point in the quotient and bring down 5. How many 5s are in 15? We have 3. 3 times 5 equal to 15, and 15 minus 15 equal to 0. So R, it means speed equal to 61.3. Another example number 3, we have speed equal to 22 and time is 4 minutes per hour. So the rule is D equal to R times T. D equal to R is 22 times T is 4. 22 times 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2, 8. Equal to 88. Example number 4. Distance is 162.5 kilometer and speed equal to 65. The rule is D equal to R times T. D is 162.5 equal to 65 times T. Now we have this equation, and we have multiply between this variable and number. We have to divide both sides by 65. These two 65s reduce, become 1, and T stay. We have to divide 162.5 by 65. 162.5 divided by 65. How many 65s are in 162? We have only 1. 1 times 65. We have 2. 2 times 65 equal to 130. 2 become 12 and 6 become 5. 12. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. 6 minus 3 equal to 3, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and we have to write decimal point in the quotient and bring down 5. Now we have 325. How many 65 are in 325? Exactly, we have 5. 5 times 65 equal to 325. Now T time equal to 2.5 or 2 and 5 tenths. Another rules, we have Fahrenheit and Celsius. For Fahrenheit, the rule for Fahrenheit is 9 out of 5 times C plus 32. When we want to change Celsius degree to Fahrenheit, we have to use these rules. Example about this Fahrenheit, example number 1, we have 10 Celsius. When we want to change to Fahrenheit, we have to use these rules. The rule is 9 out of 5 times. We have to write 10 instead of C plus 32. We have this order of operation. First step, you have to solve the operation inside the parentheses. So we have to change this whole number to fraction and multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 9 times 10 equal to 90, and 5 times 1 equal to 5 plus 32. We can change this fraction by divide for whole numbers. 90 divided by 5. How many 5s are in 9? We have 1. 1 times 5 equal to 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And bring down 0. How many 5s are in 40? We have 8. 8 times 5 equal to 40. So 90 divided by 5 equal to 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32, 32 plus 18, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, equal to 50. So 10 Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius equal to 15 degree Fahrenheit. Example number 2. We have 85 degree Fahrenheit. When we want to change to Celsius degree, we have to use these rules. 5 out of 9 times F minus 32. The rule is 5 out of 9 times. We have to write 85 instead of F. 85 minus 32. First step, you have to solve the operation inside the parentheses. 85 minus 32. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now we have 5 out of 9 times 53. We have fraction and whole numbers. We have to change this whole number to fraction and then multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. Multiply 5 times 53 and 9 times 1. 5 times 53, 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 5, 25, plus 1, 26. Now we have 265 out of 9. We can change this fraction to whole number by dividing 265 by 9. How many 9s are in 26? We have 2. 2 times 9 equal to 18. This 6 become 16 and 2 become 1. 16 minus 8 equal to 8, 0. Bring down 5. How many 9s are in 85? We have 9. 9 times 9 equal to 81. 5 minus 1, 4 and 0. And we have to bring down, you have to write decimal point and 0 and write decimal point in the quotient and bring down 0. How many 9s are in 40? We have 4. 4 times 9 equal to 36, 4. So this division is not terminated. So we can leave 265 out of 9 equal to 29.4. 29.4. So 85 degree Fahrenheit equal to 29.4 Celsius. Another example, example number 3, we have 5 Celsius. When we want to change to Fahrenheit, we have to use this rule. 9 out of 5 times C plus 32. 9 out of 5 times, we have to write 5 instead of C plus 32. Now we have whole number mixed. We have fraction and mixed and whole number. Sorry, we have to change this whole number to fraction by writing 1 as a denominator and then numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 9 times 5, 45 out of 5 times 1, 5 plus 32. Now we can divide 45 by 9 by 5. 45 divided by 5 equal to 9 plus 32. 9 plus 32 equal to 41. So 5 degrees Celsius equal to 41 degree Fahrenheit. Last example, 32 degree Fahrenheit. When we want to change to Celsius, we have to use this rule: 5 out of 9 times F minus 32. 5 out of 9 times, we have to write 32 instead of F minus 32. Now the operation inside the parentheses is 32 minus 32 equal to 0 times 5 out of 9. 5 out of 9 times 0 equal to 0. So 32 degree Fahrenheit equal to 0 degrees Celsius.